I'm Katie with WTI, and I am sitting in the back of my 2018 Atlas because I want to show off these awesome cargo and floor mats by JOULARISE. These mats were so easy to install. They have Velcro on the bottom to keep them in place. In the cargo area, they do have a loop that you put around the headrests, which is just additional help to keep them in place. And they also have these little add-ons for the hook for the car seat tether that again helps to keep them in place. These installed within minutes, and I was so impressed with how well they fit into the space. Everything lines up so well. They took such great care to make sure that the coverage is exact. And I noticed that it's much more full coverage of all of the areas. So even in the front, the driver's side, there is a little place to rest your foot that's hard plastic. This part is not covered by the factory mats, but with these mats, it is. Another great feature that I love, as you can see, it covers the back of the back row. And with our old mats, this would get dirty and gross and again, fur. But now we have coverage for it to protect the back of the seats. I definitely recommend investing in these floor mats and cargo mat. It will really help protect the value of your car and keep it nice and clean. And that's my point of view.